This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Xbox's HDMI capabilities and the monitor's supported resolutions, so you pick the right method. If you want identical output on both screens, choose a powered HDMI splitter. If one monitor has HDMI pass-through, you can chain it. Once decided, plug a high-speed HDMI cable into the Xbox, then into the splitter input or primary monitor. Make sure each monitor uses quality cables and that the splitter is powered. Otherwise, you risk sync and signal loss as you continue. Next, connect the splitter outputs or the monitor pass-through to each screen, keeping cable runs under recommended lengths to avoid degradation. On the Xbox, go to Settings, General TV and Display Options, and set a resolution and refresh rate both monitors support. If one is 1080p and the other 4K, pick a common mode like 1080p to avoid issues. Once done, make sure each monitor uses the correct HDMI input and turn off any internal scaling or overscan so the image fills the display correctly. Finish by testing gameplay and checking that audio and picture behave on both displays. If using a splitter, audio will follow the HDMI output, so pick your preferred output in Xbox audio settings. Make fine adjustments to color, sharpness, and HDR per monitor to get a consistent look. If one monitor shows no signal or flicker, power cycle the Xbox monitors and splitter, swap cables to isolate a bad lead, and ensure the splitter is a powered active model. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.